Hello students, this is the reference video of today's online class. We have started the large intestine. We have discussed about the topic large intestine as well as digestion in grass eating animals. So in large intestine what happens? How does it look? The large intestine is wider and shorter than a small intestine. So if you see the digestive system of humans, you can easily say that small intestine is bigger in length and large intestine is shorter in length. So small intestine is 7.5 meters long, but the large intestine is 1.5 meters long in length. Okay, what is the function of large intestine? What does it do? Its function is to absorb water and some salt from the undigested food materials. What does that do? It absorbs water and salts from where? From undigested food. Okay, again what happens? The remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there as a semi-solid which is digested half. Semi means half. Okay, next, facial matter is removed from the through a anus. From the time to time this is called egestion. What happens which is not digested? That comes through which part? That comes through anus. Okay, that process is nothing but called egestion. Next we have discussed 2.3, that is digestion in grass eating animals. What happens in grass eating animals? They have different features. So let us know. Have you observed cows, buffaloes and other grass eating animals chewing continuously even when they are not eating? Have you observed, children, some animals like cows and buffaloes, they chew continuously. When we see, nothing will be there in mouth, but they chew continuously. Why they chew continuously? They quickly swallow the grass and store it in a part of a stomach called rumen. They store grass. They eat more grass and store it in a part of stomach, that is nothing but rumen. After that what they do? Here the food gets partially digested and it is called cud. See, which is partially digested. In that, when they store in a stomach which is digested, that is nothing but cud. And what happens which undigested? What happens? It returns into the mouth in the forms of small lumps. But the later cud returns into the mouth in the small lumps and animals chew it. This process is nothing but rumination. So what happens which is undigested? It returns into the mouth. Okay, it returns into the mouth in the form of small lumps and the animals chew it. Again it chew it. That process we call it as rumination. And these animals are called ruminates. Okay, what these animals like cows and buffaloes, they are nothing but ruminates. Why they are called ruminates? Because they have different type of digestion. Okay, next, the grass is rich in cellulose, the type of carbohydrates. What do you mean by cellulose? That is nothing but it is a type of carbohydrates which is rich in grass. It present in grass. Okay, in ruminates like cattle, deer, etc., bacteria present in rumen helps in digestion of cellulose. Many animals including humans cannot digest cellulose. See, children, different between humans and this ruminates animals, they have the capacity to digest cellulose. Okay, but we humans, we don't have such capacity to digest cellulose. Why we don't have such capacity to digest cellulose? Because we don't have that bacteria, but these animals have bacteria which can easily digest those cellulose. Okay, animals like